TSLA Tesla 6.6% up today, the best performing stock in S&P 500 and in Nasdaq. So overall in the market, this was the large cap, the best mover so far today, 186. That's where it closed. So let's have a look. Can it push towards 200? What I'm looking at for this name. So this is a daily chart of TSLA. You guys can see last time we covered this name, we were talking about these two gaps where stock basically moved very fast, 20+% or so, maybe even more. And it did retrace quite a bit to fill at least the recent gap up, very huge gap up. And now it's trying to push higher. So from here, you guys can see it has this level where it was trading like 185, 186. This area was pretty big resistance. Now we're pushing right into it. Can it go through this? Well, today it has basically rallied for the most part thanks to the option activity. The highest options traded in an entire market, obviously it was TSLA with 2.4 million total volume traded, 60% calls, 40% puts. So right here, right now, this is the big challenging area for this name would be this 190. If it can push through this level, the next pivotal resistance would be this level where it rejected many times in the beginning of the February, in the middle of February, basically 205. And it also has around 210 region, the 200-day moving average. At the moment, stock ultra short term above its 50-day moving average, above its 5-day moving average, 20-day moving average. You guys can see 5-day, 20-day uptrending. Stock is above it. Ultra short term, 1 week, basically 1 week momentum. Well, 5% thanks to today, of course. 1 month plus 30%, 31%. So ultra short term, 1 week, 1 month, stock is bullish momentum to the upside. But 3 months, 6 months, this stock is still in a downtrend. If we just switch maybe to larger time frame, you guys can see stock has been making these lower highs, lower lows, right? And from these most recent lows before earnings report, it was making this downtrend, and it is still in this channel. So I would watch this downtrend right here, which coincides with basically stock's 200-day moving average. So right here, right now, probability of this stock, maybe let's say for the rest of the May, right? We don't have too many trading days left. But let's take a look at option activity, what it is pricing in, let's say for May 30th of TSLA being above or trading above $200 levels, maybe $200 strike going in the money according to option activity. You guys can see that was the strike I was looking today. I did not trade it, but 58,000 calls, basically volume traded. You can see open interest going into today's session was 14,000 only. So the probability of that strike price come May 31st is 16%, 17% or so. So is it high? Is it low? It's for you to decide. But a lot of people could have been just day trading it today because volume was very high and it was in a very low volume environment where overall market was basically in a melt up, but very low volatility environment. This stock did stand out. So can it have a continuation before NVIDIA reports and maybe after NVIDIA reports? We will see, but volume was there. Then I do expect some sort of a follow through if we do stay above these highs of today at least. So that's the update for TSLA. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care. Peace.